Hello, boys and girls. I'm so happy to see you again today to read another wonderful story about a certain pesky monkey. And our story today is called Bad Monkey Business. Our story is written and illustrated by Michael Hale. Now I look at that monkey. Uh-oh. It's called Bad Monkey Business, so I wonder if he's naughty. Well, why don't you read with me so we can find out today? If you have a special stuffy that you love to read with, please bring them over so they can enjoy the story with us. So here we go, Bad Monkey Business. Oh no, it's raining. Bad Monkey Business. On a rainy day in her house on the hill, Mrs. J.C. McGoody had started to fill a cup with some tea after mopping the floor when she heard a faint knock come from her front door. Uh-oh. She opened the door and to her surprise stood a very wet monkey of very small size. "Can I help you?" she asked in a voice soft and sweet as the monkey barged in without wiping his feet. Oh no. Oh my. He dragged in a rope to which something was tied, and she got quite a scare when it wandered inside. Oh no, boys and girls, what is it? A lion! She picked up a chair to keep the lion at bay when she noticed the monkey was running away. She cried, "Stop, you bad monkey! This just will not do. That's enough of this bad monkey business from you." How naughty. But he ran straight ahead, ignoring her words. Then he opened the windows, and in came the birds. Oh my goodness. The room filled with birds, all squawking and flying, while Mrs. McGoody was running and trying to catch that small monkey and trying quite hard. But he jumped through the window down to the backyard, where he unlatched and opened her old cellar door and went back in the house where he was just before. Oh no. She ran fast to catch him, quick down the stairs, past the beast in her parlor, asleep on her chairs, to the door of the basement near the clock on the wall. But just as she got there, something started to crawl. Yikes. Oh. The door started shaking, then burst open wide, and out came the monkey, not trying to hide, but riding on top of a giant green snake, a boa constrictor so big you might think it was fake. But is it fake? Unfortunately, it is not. The back kitchen door was broken in half as a rhino charged in with a slouching giraffe. On their heels came a zebra, a tiger, a bear, and somehow an elephant squeezed inside there. Oh, poor Mrs. McGoody. Oh, is she happy, boys and girls? No, she's not. She cried, "Stop, you bad monkey! Can't you hear what I say? That's enough of this bad monkey business today." But that monkey let in even more than before. when another faint knock came from the front door. Oh my goodness. Ah, please, please go away, she started to sob. But when it opened this time, it was Zookeeper Bob. He ran to the monkey, who jumped to his arm. You did it! They're here! You saved them from harm. All of this rain caused a flood at the zoo. The water was rising. What could we do? This quick-thinking monkey had a very good plan. He opened the gates, and out they all ran. He led them all here to safe higher ground. Down in the flooding, they all might have drowned. In her house on the hill, when the rain finally stopped, Mrs. J.C. McGoody went back in and mopped. Her floors and her rooms cleaned up nice as can be. And when it was done, he had a nice cup of tea. So boys and girls, in the beginning, we thought our character, the monkey, was bad, because it says bad monkey business. But at the end of the story, was the monkey bad? No, the monkey was actually good. He was just trying to save his friends. I hope you enjoyed our story today, boys and girls, and I hope you have a wonderful day until I see you again next time. Goodbye, my dears.